Optimizing ERP systems through SAP HR module interventions, a case study analysis of Bharat Electronics Limited, BALE. This important article is authored by the following scientists. SAP, Systems, Applications, and Products in Data Processing, ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, crafted by SAP SE, is a reliable piece of software designed towards sleek business procedures over diverse domains like capital, distribution network, producing, exchange, and human resources. It serves as a unified system facilitating efficient operations, heightened productivity, and informed decision-making, ultimately fostering the expansion of businesses and efficacy. Effective human resource, HR, management is essential for sustaining growth and operational excellence. This study examines the transformative potential of SAP HR module interventions in enhancing organizational efficiency and competitiveness through effective ERP system integration. A comprehensive review of existing literature and case studies reveals that small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, can reap significant benefits from thorough preparation, business process reviews, and market analysis prior to ERP implementation. Key findings highlight the importance of integrating SAP ERP tools for effective data management, project management, and critical success factors in implementation processes. The research also explores industry-specific challenges and innovations in ERP systems, emphasizing the need for continuous adaptation and improvement. Ultimately, this study demonstrates how SAP ERP systems can drive operational excellence, strategic decision-making, and sustainable growth across diverse sectors. The findings of this study underscore the critical role of SAP ERP systems in enabling organizations to achieve operational excellence, strategic agility, and long-term sustainability. By leveraging SAP ERP's strengths, businesses can overcome challenges, capitalize on opportunities, and drive success in an increasingly complex and competitive landscape. Introduction. SAP ERP is a powerful software system used by businesses to manage and streamline their daily operations across departments like finance, supply chain, production, sales, and human resources. It acts as a central hub where all business processes are connected, allowing for better coordination, faster workflows, and more accurate data. One of its biggest strengths is the ability to scale and adapt to different company sizes and industries while offering built-in best practices. SAP ERP not only improves how a business runs but also helps employees do their jobs more efficiently by automating tasks, reducing errors, and providing real-time insights. The Human Resources (HR) module manages the entire employee journey, from hiring and attendance tracking to performance reviews and retirement. It also boosts employee satisfaction by making HR services more accessible and organized. Overall, SAP ERP helps businesses grow smarter by improving decision-making, ensuring compliance with laws, and aligning processes with company goals. It's more than just software. It's a complete system designed to help businesses run better and succeed in the long run. Conclusions. The shift to SAP HR modules at BALE revealed both progress and challenges. Employees generally agreed that the transition had some difficulties, especially with data handling and system integration, which affected HR efficiency. Despite this, SAP's HR system brought clear benefits like improved employee satisfaction, better data access, increased efficiency, and stronger compliance. While some areas didn't show major changes, the overall impact was positive. These insights highlight the need for continued improvements in system integration to make HR processes smoother and more effective, ultimately leading to higher employee satisfaction and better organizational performance. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.